Want to compete in the premier Filipino-American beauty pageant in the U.S.? Now is your chance. Insider Productions presents Binibining Pilipinas Teen USA and Binibining Pilipinas USA. Join now. Nationwide search is on.
This week on Kababayan Today. Join me for interviews with the biggest Philan stars.
From Jeepney to Boombox, Man is a Warrior.
The latest Pinoy community news. Celebrate Filipino pride here on Kababayan Today.
Hello Kababayan Today sa lahat po ng mga kababayan. Hello ng bongga sa inyo. And sa'yo, magandang babae.
Kababayan Today, weekdays at 3:30 p.m. on LA 18. And weekdays at 5 p.m. on Hawaii's Kiku.
Hello with Cananiba is America's top entertainment and lifestyle show for Asian Pacific Americans. Catch late-breaking Hollywood news, the latest trends, plus meet talented Asians and Asian Pacific Americans who are making us proud in the fields of music, film, TV, and new media. Mondays to Wednesdays on LA 18 in Southern California and Kiku TV in Hawaii. You can also catch past segments on the following social media sites.